The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. Elmo has destroyed a lot of U.S. states in the eastern United States. The following states: Maine, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, and Ohio. All residents in these states are strongly advised to seek ground and underground shelter immediately. Gather necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a battery-powered radio, a first aid kit, extra batteries, a flashlight, phones, and chargers. Stay tuned to more local media and news outlets on this dangerous situation.